Hello, my people. Now your girl Felicia on top Felicia Craft. Not call your wait. Did a special video as now they hear my voice so na Pidgin edition with this. Okay, I say make I do voiceover for Pidgin. Make this thing for sweet so maybe I say tell the story. Anyway, now this dress where I start to it dey look like say this cloth na 1 million people chook hand sew am. But no be like that. I say make I show una how I take do this dress. E come dey like say dey work tire. I come dey shine like tomato juice. I go tell una more in this video. Make una just dey watch. Meanwhile, if you really wan make you dey see more of this kind session, make una no forget to let me know for comment section o. Make una even rate my pidgin. How I take do? Rate me o. I no really sabi pidgin like that, but I go try. Anyway, make I no talk too much. Make we start the video. My people, as I dey talk, I tell you una say this dress e dey very simple. See the dress, e no even get any swag at all. E just dey straight woro reach ground. Just come get small band for as off shoulder. E no even get any paparazzi at all. No flare, no peplum, no robo anywhere, nothing. E just dey straight. Nothing o. Na him I say this cloth me I no fit carry last. Na as a whole fashion designer wey I be, this cloth I go spice am up. Una no go even recognize this dress again. Na him I enter market o. I come see one very fine organza. This organza no be those cheap ones wey dey chook for body o. This one na better thick organza wey get shine for face. E dey shine like e get one kind rich madam shine. E dey shine, no be all those shine woro shine. This one na better one. So na thick one. I come buy am 4 years. As I see as I dey show una for ground to show you the how long the thing dey. I buy 4 years o, but na 8 years e come be last because I divide am into two. Come join am back before I come fold am again. E come become 8 yards. Na him I carry that end wey I don after I join am back or I turn am out. If you be tailor, you understand wetin I dey talk. So na him I carry that beginning part, come tack am with needle and thread, come do gathers. Na him I carry am go start for the back of the clothes. Because my plan for this cloth na make this puff wey I wan do make e go round the shoulder. Na my plan, and make e dey full, like very full fuku. Na him I start to very close to the zip, but I try not to. I try make I no enter that zip too much because e go disturb my zip. And I no wan make I clothes I go wan wear am the day of the wedding, go do shakara. After I don do makeup, do everything, my clothes go come spoil. I go come dey cry. I go come dey look for another clothes. Na him I try to sew am away from the zip, but still close, make e no dey too apart from the zip, but you no go sew am too close to your zip, make e no spoil your clothes. Anyway, that first one I don dey tack am. This one I tack am like say I want like say if I no tack this thing, my life go just scatter. Na him I tack am well because that first one need to dey very tight because na that one go hold everything. You see this first one and the last one, all of the two of them gats dey very tight to avoid any story say your clothes tear or your clothes loose for road. Na him I do am like that. I come gather the remaining part. You see as I dey push do am, I dey try fluff am up. I no know wetin be fluff for English for pidgin, sorry, but I just fluff am. Come put the first one, e come fine. I say make I even do the second one, make I see how the thing go take fine for face. Na him I do am, e come fine, sweet me well. I see my belle, I come gather am back again, and I come start to dey tack am dey go. So na him we come dey do am. I just finish the first one. Na him I carry the second one. After I tack this first one, I carry the second one like that. We come dey tack am dey go small. You take am, puff am up because we want this thing make e dey full. If you wan make this thing, if you wan manage am, e go still fine o, but e no go dey the way my own dey. E dey like say I finish work. Nobody go know say na simple thing. As you dey see this cloth, very simple cloth o, and this thing wey we even dey put now, as you dey see am, e dey very simple. No nothing special. Na I come dey do this work, I come remember say show no be me even sew this cloth o. Why I come dey finish work for person wey start work? I come leave am. I come just do this second one, tack and finish. Come tell my tailor wey sew this cloth make she come finish her work because make she take her glory for herself. So I leave her make she continue. After I don show am, because she no even understand how she wan take start, I come show am how she go start, and now she come continue and dey go. Na him where she don reach this point, she dey do am dey go. So na the same way she just follow wetin I dey do before. Pack am, make e dey full, come tack am. So na him she come dey do. Meanwhile, I forget to tell una say as you dey tack this cloth like this, e go look like say inside don look like where spider don create plenty web, don create house like duplex and mansion. the inside dey neat, no single thread. You no go even know say they tag this cloth, you no go ever know, because as we dey tack am neatly. Anything wey we dey do for this fashion work, if you know, you need to know how to make your work make e stand out, make people say, this tailor, she dey so fire and she dey very neat. No be the one wey your clothes go dey like wetin I no know, inside go come thread go come full. So wetin we dey do, we dey tack am small small, so make e no tack am reach the lining. The inside of this cloth dey very neat, no go even see one single thread for this whole thing wey be tack all around this cloth. The tack, e no even reach inside. So try your best, dey do your work make e dey neat, make everywhere dey like say na machine, no be human being so am, na robot. You know say na only robots fit do this kind thing wey dey go dey neat. Anyway, as I dey talk, you see say I show una this cloth, see wetin remain, e no dey plenty again, I will never even reach half. I come say, hey God, this thing I go come do, this thing no go fit reach you. We gats start to dey think another way. We need to start thinking creatively, because you know this work, you need to be creative. If you no dey creative, you no go really go far for this fashion work. You go just dey copy, so you go copy plus the name sef of the person join for the clothes. Anyway, so say okay, since e no go reach, make we just stop this thing for the second armhole, the armpit side, the second armhole. We come tack am the last one. See this last one, we gather am together again, gather it the way we gather the first one. Come tack am from inside. You see say I should tuck am inside, you know dey show say you can tack this cloth, so she tuck am inside, come dey tack am from inside, so that when she tack am finish, everything go just cover. You no go even see say na tacking dey do this thing. Anyway, so as we don reach this point, I come dey look, wetin I go do this my cloth. My plan be say make this thing go round o, how we go turn dey do this thing? I come dey think say this thing no fit dey like this. Na im I say I no fit leave that side like e fine like this, so e fine well. I can't go enter my wardrobe. I can't see this red rose. You see this red flower? I don't even remember say I get them. I can't check inside my wardrobe, can't see them. You can't find. I say, see wetin I go use to complete this thing. I don't happy. I can't even see fringes, gold one. Hey, I say, hey God, this my clothes. You go dey hot. Now I might just put them. I happy. The kind happiness in my heart. I can't dey look the clothes, see how full this thing can't dey. Make una see how I can't dey for the wedding day. Now after I don't dress up, don't do my makeup, come wear my gele, I can't dey look like one fine iyawo chief. I can't dey fine. People can't dey look me as I go dey waka, dey go up and down, they go dey look me. I say, now wetin I want be this. Now wetin I want, make una dey look me, because this clothes no go for free. Because I know say this work, e dey easy, but una no go know say e dey easy. So you see now, as I dey do shakara like one fine girl like this. That one no even do me. I can't dey dance, dey do shakara. Why I no go make shakara now? See fine girl, they create for Sunday morning. My people, I say make I leave una here. Una here I go end this video. If you know say you really enjoy this edition, make una no forget to let me know for comment section. It sweet me die as I dey do this thing. I do am, I really enjoy am. Make una no forget to comment too. Until my next edition, make una take care of yourself, okay? Ngwanu, bye.